Hi, welcome to my channel. Today recipe will be teriyaki chicken. I'll be making the teriyaki chicken. So here I put a little oil in the pan, and now I'm adding onions to fry it a little bit. Then next I'll be adding some garlic, minced garlic to it. I'll fry it a little bit. Then I already marinated the chicken overnight. I'm gonna bring it out from the fridge. I used onion and garlic and ginger with salt to marinate it overnight. So now I'll be bringing out the chicken and I'll add it to the pan to stir fry it. I'm gonna let it cook for a while until the chicken cooks and has a golden brown color. Then I'll add more stuff to the chicken. I'll turn around the chicken once in a while so that it wouldn't get burned. I'll try and cook it slowly so it doesn't get burned, so that the chicken will be done in the middle. So once the chicken has browned and is done, I'll be adding the sauce. I made sauce, teriyaki sauce. This recipe is teriyaki chicken. So I mixed this sauce already. I had teriyaki sauce in it. I have sesame seed oil in it, and I have a little bit of water and fish sauce in it. So I poured it to the chicken that's already been done. Then I will turn it for a while and let it simmer for a while because I added water. I want it to thicken a little bit. Then I'll be adding the green onion, as you see soon, to the sauce. Yeah, so I left it for a while to simmer. This recipe is really easy to make. So it's, first of all, the chicken, make sure the chicken is done, then you add your sauce to it and let it simmer for a while. And now I'm adding the green onion, and the dish is ready. So I'll be eating this sauce I made for lunch. So I had fried rice already made. Then I'll use this teriyaki chicken sauce on the side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.